That's one interesting looking bird. What's the name of it? It kind of like a turkey, and I don't know. I bet that bee could do some damage. Hi. Listen, everyone is out enjoying the sun. This bird ain't flew off yet. Usually it would have been done flew off, but here we are. Oh my God, doesn't it look like a turkey by the face? What type of bird is this? Can anyone tell me in the comments? Hi. He's looking like, please, get the hell on. I'm trying to enjoy the sun. Alright, guys. Until next time. Love you all later.